Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Chrome and going straight to Settings. Click the three-dot menu at the top right. Once done, choose Appearance and then Customize Fonts so you can see font size, font family, and fixed width options. Make sure Chrome is updated so the interface matches these steps. You're taking action immediately to access Chrome's type controls rather than hunting through menus, which saves time and avoids confusion when we change specific families and sizes next. Now you'll pick the actual fonts and sizes. Choose Standard, Serif, Sans Serif, and Fixed Width families from the drop-downs to control web page text rendering. Then use the Font Size slider and set minimum font size to prevent tiny text on some sites. If a site still looks wrong, open Advanced within Customize Fonts to tweak character encoding or to reset to default fonts. These steps give you both broad appearance control and a safety net, so pages remain readable. Finally, test your choices by reloading several web pages. Some sites cache font data, so a hard reload or clearing the cache helps. If a particular site still forces its own fonts, consider a user style sheet extension or site-specific CSS rules to override it. Make sure to update Chrome or reinstall if the Customize Fonts panel behaves oddly. If things go wrong, reset fonts to default first, then proceed to update or reinstall. This sequence isolates the issue without losing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.